Everybody to our scientific research channel, and it's O-MegaTechnologic Sciences here with our host Astro. But today Astro will not be in. Astro is going to go to his spaceship while us testing this amazing super glue made of the cyanoacrylate, and it's a very dangerous period. Cyanoacrylate is really dangerous. It glues anything, even your face, and to remove it you'll of course need something, and this we're going to test many periods today to know how resistive is this super glue. And of course we're gonna be testing the water. We're gonna be testing also the heat, and we're gonna produce some heat using the light. Of course we're gonna show the cotton, and I think it has many amazing reactions. Some perfumes. Here we got lemon juice, and it would be also vinegar. Of course we got here some acetone, and I don't know, I didn't find the other bottle of acetone. I didn't know what it disappeared. And we got here some deodorant. Oh, cool. So here we got our cyanoacrylate. Will be tested also on many things, like we'll get a cut of the steel. We're gonna put each drop of this material on this little plastic board, and then everything will be done. For the most popular period, and it's the water. You're always gonna need your glasses, your chemistry glasses, and also to take some little parts with it. So it's so windy today, that's why we can hear something. So we're gonna take a drop of water. So we're not going to be putting all of these. Then please try to close your breath while doing this. Then put some drops here, and so fast. So we're gonna add the water and see how beautiful the cyanoacrylate is. It does exactly like it's so beautiful. I don't know how to describe that. I think it has an amazing thing. You're gonna need a glass rod to move and see here. Here's our glass rod, and here you can see, here is in the top, you can see here the water, and here is the water, and the cyanoacrylate became white. It did exactly like something very strange. Oh my god, this is really awesome. So this, what you see here, is cyanoacrylate in the edges, and here you can see the water. I don't know if it's clear or not. Still not clear that. So here it is, water, and here. So also it will get tested with the normal glue and see what will we get. And even we will mix it and use the other glue together. The same thing. This little drop drying, it's really like crystal or something. You mustn't actually try that at home. We're gonna let it here. I don't know if we can let it dry, so it's gonna be our first test. So we're going to get up here and put it, expose it to the light here. I don't know, we must expose this to light. So here is the light. Oops. And I don't know, here you can see what moves here is water, and all what we're going to do is to keep keep looking at it, keep moving. So you'll always need your glass rod to control. Cyanoacrylate is now melting. Just to know, this is the first experiment. Here, I think here you can see it. It's really hot here. So it's just 230 volts and 25 watts. The water, so it's not going to need all of this. It's gonna need much time actually to do it. Glass rod, what we need in all of this chemistry program. So here we're gonna put in each one some cyanoacrylate with a different period. So let's see. It really smells so bad. We're gonna put with it some perfume. You can see it just got exactly like it's white. And the smell here is the smell of perfume with the smell of the and it's melting now, so it melted actually. But it's still a little bit liquidated. It exactly did like some cotton plate. No. So I don't know how we can describe that. It's just a piece of crystal. So I'm gonna wash the rod here. So here it is so beautiful to see that. And now we're going to test the same period. Sorry, because it really smells so bad. And I can't really support that that perfume. I know it's for kids. Now we're gonna test it with hand cleaner. So we're just gonna put that few milliliters with. I'm gonna here mix this with the cyanoacrylate. What you see is the same reaction with the water, but here is a little bit less. You can see here it's so beautiful, the beautiful shape that it did. And here it's all white, but here it's just a little bit white, not too much. And as you can see here, it just got a little piece. It's like it's plastic. I actually tested that before. Experiment, and here is the water coming off. And by taking the glass rod, you can see here. So it did exactly like it's I don't know, a fish eye or something. It really looks sticky and really bad. So the last part. So and all we're gonna put now and test the cyanoacrylate with the this. So we're gonna taste it with the lemonade. Here we got some. So you can also test it with the vinegar. So oh my god, it did a big drop. This time it's a big drop. I don't know of what. So here, as you can see here, oh my god, it's sticky. It's sticky more than the water. Oh my god, it's a big eye. I don't know if it's clear here or not. So we're just gonna see. I don't know if it's clear here, if you can see here the big bubble. This is how it is to put a lemon juice on the cyanoacrylate glue. I don't know. This is how it acted. It made an amazing and beautiful big bubble. The next is my favorite, because we're gonna take a little piece of cotton and take it and see how it reacts. So here it doesn't really react, but actually it does. Because not... Oh, cool. Do you see that? Do you see the ghost? It's not really. It's burning actually. It's burning. It has a very terrible smell too. It's so bad. Sorry, I had to smell something. It has a terrible smell. It's terrible. You just have to discard this. In addition, if you just put your finger here, you're not going to glue, but you're going to feel much heat. So here it is so hot. Wow, I just felt that. It's so hot, really. Seriously, it's so hot. All you have to do to this piece is just to discard it immediately and pass to another experiment without it. So it's passed to the rest. Now we're gonna test the deodorant on it. I feel a little bit bad for this. Here's the deodorant. Worse than the first perfume. And here's the deodorant. Here's the deodorant. Nice, right? I think it is. Pretty nice. See the glass rod, if it melted. No, it didn't melt. It just made. Oh, cool. Oh, look at that one. So the one that we did it with the hand cleaner. I really made an amazing, beautiful shape here. Pretty nice here. How many periods are still? So tests, 2 tests. I think it is. Oh my god. Yes, with the acetone and the heat. After all, if you remember this thing, it's just a mixture of aspirin and many very stupid things. They're gonna be passed into another thing now. Oh my god, look at that. So the water came out and look at that. Half of the cyanoacrylate just got the white. I don't know. But I just bet it would melt because both. So you can see here the water. You can see here. Try to mix it, I don't know. So it just did the same reactions that I have seen. So all of this because all these periods contain water, contain hydrogen, and contain 2 oxygen. Cyanoacrylate is amazing, but it's so dangerous, really, seriously. This is what I can say to you. Now the last exam for the cyanoacrylate. I think it was what it is. The heat, and of course, we're just gonna test that. So, to test it in the heat, we're gonna need this. So, to just finish it with this, we're gonna just make it. So, this is just acrylic paint. A few drops. Oops, oh, here they got it. Oh my god, such so terrible. No. Come on, here we got. We're testing it in the heat, exposing it to the heat and light, and seeing how it will act. Where's the glass rod? It's not melting at all. It's still liquid. It's still liquid, guys. So we're gonna let it settle. So I know it will feel so terrible. We're gonna just tap here to see it. See in the glass rod. I think it started melting. Yeah, it started. Yeah, it started really. Just put this little card to make you see it. I think it melted, but I'm not pretty sure. No, it doesn't. It started melting. It's just between the two phases. It's between solid and liquid. This is how it is. So it takes longer than the normal. So it takes much time, because normally when you expose it in the about 20-25 degrees, it really melts normally. So there we got it. Here we got it. It's so bad, I think. It's still not melting at all. It's exactly like it liquidated. I can see the big drops up there. There is nothing to test here. Now we can see what makes it really dry, what makes it melt. Maybe you have to wait it till it melts by itself. So it's so pretty nice to make this experience. But please don't try it at home. Enjoy your day, enjoy your life. But so before we go, I just want to test something. I want to test cyanoacrylate with the glass cleaner. Some glass cleaner is gonna be now to see. No minimal reaction. I think the cyanoacrylate is just started exactly, and no reaction with the it's exactly did like these. So oh my god. So let's back to this collection. This is cyanoacrylate with the acetone. This is cyanoacrylate with the deodorant. The cyanoacrylate has a very weird shape. This one is with a lemon. This one is the hand cleaner. And this one is with the perfume. Participate into all of these experiments today, and it's for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For 10 experiments with the cyanoacrylate, heat, and many different materials. So please enjoy and subscribe, like, and comment to see more science videos. Goodbye and good job. And don't try this at home, no matter what.